नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take a lecture on the subject Data Warehousing and Mining, and the session name is Data Preprocessing Introduction Task of Data Preprocessing. These are the topics which I have covered in this lecture. What is data preprocessing? Why is data preprocessing required? Data preprocessing methods. What is data preprocessing? Processing data is a technique that has been used to enhance the quality of data before mining is used, so that data can contribute to high quality mining performance. Data processing techniques can greatly improve the overall quality of the mining patterns and or the time needed to actual mining. Data preprocessing involves data preparation, data creation, data transformation, and data reduction. Data cleaning can be used to minimize noise and fix data inconsistencies. Data integration merges data from different sources into a cohesive data set, such as a data center. Data transformation, such as standardization, can be used. Why data preprocessing is required? Data preprocessing defines any form of processing carried out on raw data in order to prepare it for another processing procedure. Preprocessing data is needed for the following reasons, that is, data is incomplete, noisy, unreliable, aggregated, information enhanced, mining process, or improved data quality. The second is incomplete. Lacking attribute, values, or other attributes of interest, or having only aggregate data. Missing data, particularly for tuples with missing values for some attributes, may need to be inferred. Next is noisy. Noisy includes errors or outliers that deviates from the expected value. Incorrect data can also arise from variation in naming conventions or data codes used, or from different formats for input fields such as date. It is therefore important to use certain techniques to replace the noisy data. Another one is inconsistent. Inconsistent, containing the variation between the various data objects. Some attributes describing a given term that have different names in various repositories, resulting in inconsistencies and redundancies. Naming contradictions for attribute values can also occur. The data ambiguity needs to be eliminated. And quantitative information, it would be helpful to access aggregate information such as revenue per customer region, something that is not part of any pre-computed data code, data cube in the data warehouse. And enhancing the mining process, a large number of data sets will slow down the data mining process. It is therefore necessary to reduce the number of data sets to improve the efficiency of the mining process. The last is improved data quality. Data preprocessing technique can improve data quality, helping to increase the accuracy and reliability of the subsequent mining processes. So, preprocessing data is an essential phase in the process of information discovery. since quality decisions must be based on quality data. Detecting data anomalies, resolving them early, and that the data to be analyzed can lead to big rewards for decision making. Now, next comes to data processing methods. Raw data is particularly prone to noise, missing values, and inconsistencies. The accuracy of the data influences the effect of data mining. In order to help improve the consistencies of the data and ultimately the mining performance, raw data is pre-processed in order to increase the reliability and ease of the mining process. Data pre-processing is one of the most important phases in the data mining cycle that deals with the preparation and transformation of the initial dataset. Data pre-processing methods are classified into the following groups shown in figure: data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, and data reduction. This is all about data pre-processing. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.